At school, I love going to my classroom. It is big, full of light, and clean. We listen to classical music during art class. My teacher always speaks in a clear voice and explains everything clearly. She is very clever. In science class, we talk about climate, how it changes, and how we can help the planet. Sometimes we climb the stairs quickly because we don't want to miss the bell. There is a big clock in the hall to show the time. When the door is closed, we know class has started. We wear our school clothes, which are part of our clothing code. On cloudy days, I bring a coat because of the cold weather. I drink coffee in the morning like my parents, but only a little. I prefer hot chocolate. My best friend goes to the same school. Her dad is a coach and works near the coast. They have many pets and live in a colourful house. She once showed me her secret code to lock her diary. On rainy days, we sit in the club room and talk. We write a funny comedy story and share it with our teacher. The chairs are very comfortable, and we always comment on how warm the place feels. My aunt is a colleague of my mum. They collect books and often talk about college life. They love reading about colour theory and art. At home, I help my mom with the shopping list. I write it in a column in my notebook. Every Sunday, I come back from my grandma's house. We watch a comedy movie and eat snacks. She says I am a good girl because I help around the house and do my chores.